Chambliss is a full-service law firm. We're about 60 to 65 attorneys. We're a single office here in Chattanooga. We do a lot of corporate work. We spend a lot of time with family-owned businesses and individuals. There's a very close relationship with our clients. We take a lot of pride in protecting our clients. So it's more than just a legal relationship. I think that our clients find us to be part of their team or part of their family. Unfortunately, we've seen some big law firms that have been involved in some security breaches. There is a lot more at stake. The client data obviously is most important, but the reputation of the firm in which you work is probably as valuable as anything, and you can damage it with just one cyber breach. So getting somebody like ImageQuest in to give you good sound structural advice on how your network should be set up and how your employees should behave is vital to really your whole reputation of your entire law firm.
In order for me to be on top of cybersecurity, it would consume all of my time. So that's where I would rely on ImageQuest to give us that guidance. We have a number of other projects that we're always working on. Being able to stay on top of cybersecurity, latest threats, trends, things like that, it really is a full-time job, and not just the job of one person, but an entire team. ImageQuest makes it easy. They make the scary parts less scary, if you will. For us, it was kind of, we didn't know where to start, and there was lots of different pieces, whether it's having the correct documentation for IT security policies and procedures, vulnerability scanning to figure out where those holes might be in your infrastructure, and just where to start with all of that. And ImageQuest was great to come in and show us where to begin. ImageQuest is different from other vendors we work with, where it's more of a partnership and almost an extension of our IT team. I feel like we can call on them at any time. They will be glad to answer our questions. Even our attorneys feel like they are a friend to the firm and not just a vendor, and a reliable source at that.
They're not a vendor. They're part of our family. They treat us with great respect. They go at our pace. They give great advice, but don't push their own agenda. Their concern is for Chambliss. And so I would recommend ImageQuest because of their expertise, their ability to present and get attention, but most importantly because they've got our backs. They really care about us as a firm, and so their only interest is how well we're doing and not how well it does for ImageQuest.